Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive into Seeni Shetty's impeccable fashion choices that have been turning heads all around. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about Seeni Shetty's mastery of the timeless classics. From elegant black dresses to tailored suits, she effortlessly exudes sophistication and style. Her attention to detail, whether it's a statement accessory or the perfect pair of shoes, never fails to impress. The beauty knows how to rock street style like nobody else. Whether she's sporting a chic leather jacket or a trendy oversized sweater, she always manages to infuse her outfits with a touch of urban flair. Whether it's on the red carpet or at a casual outing, she always manages to stand out from the crowd. Seeni Shetty apart is her impeccable use of color. Whether she's donning a bold red gown or a muted pastel ensemble, she always manages to select hues that complement her skin tone and personality. Her ability to play with color adds depth and dimension to her outfits, making them visually captivating. From intricate embroidery to delicate embellishments, she understands the power of small accents in elevating a look. Whether it's a bejeweled neckline or a whimsical pattern, these subtle touches add an element of luxury and refinement to her outfits. Seeni Shetty's fashion repertoire is incredibly versatile, spanning a wide range of styles and occasions. Whether she's attending a glamorous gala or a laid-back brunch, she always manages to adapt her style to suit the occasion while still staying true to her personal aesthetic. This versatility showcases her adaptability and creativity as a fashion icon. The beauty also advocates for ethical and sustainable fashion practices. She's often seen supporting eco-friendly brands and promoting initiatives aimed at reducing the fashion industry's environmental footprint. By using her platform to raise awareness, she's not only a trendsetter but also a responsible role model in the fashion world. Seeni Shetty's fashion arsenal that deserves attention is her selection of fabrics and textures. Whether it's flowing chiffon, luxurious silk, or tactile velvet, she always chooses materials that not only look stunning but also feel exquisite against the skin. By incorporating a variety of textures into her outfits, she adds depth and richness, creating visually dynamic ensembles. Her style is her playful approach to accessorizing. Whether it's a statement necklace, a bold pair of earrings, or a whimsical scarf, she knows how to use accessories to elevate her looks and add personality. Her fearless experimentation with accessories demonstrates her confidence and flair for self-expression. Seeni Shetty's fashion journey is marked by a continuous evolution and growth. Over the years, she has embraced new trends while staying true to her unique aesthetic, showcasing her adaptability and willingness to take risks. From her early days as a rising star to her current status as a fashion icon, she has consistently pushed boundaries and redefined the standards of style. Her fashion choices epitomize a harmonious blend of elegance, versatility, and innovation. With a discerning eye for detail, she effortlessly navigates through an array of styles, textures, and colors, creating looks that are both captivating and sophisticated. Her ability to seamlessly transition from timeless classics to bold statement pieces showcases her versatility and adaptability. Whether she's gracing the red carpet in a show-stopping gown or effortlessly chic in casual streetwear, Seeni exudes confidence and poise in every ensemble. What truly sets her apart is her unwavering commitment to ethical and sustainable fashion practices, using her platform to champion causes close to her heart. From her meticulous selection of fabrics to her playful accessorizing and cultural influences, each fashion choice reflects her multifaceted personality and global outlook. Seeni Shetty isn't just a fashion icon, she's a trailblazer, inspiring countless individuals to embrace their unique style and make a statement with every outfit they wear. Seeni Shetty's fashion choices are not just about what she wears, but how she wears it. Each ensemble she puts together is a carefully curated masterpiece, showcasing her impeccable taste and keen eye for style. What truly sets Seeni apart is her ability to infuse every outfit with a sense of confidence and grace that is unmistakably her own. Whether she's experimenting with bold patterns and textures or sticking to classic silhouettes, she always manages to strike the perfect balance between trendsetting and timeless elegance. Her fashion journey is a testament to her evolution as both an individual and a style icon, constantly pushing boundaries and redefining the standards of beauty and glamour. From her early days as a rising star to her current status as a global fashion influencer, the beauty continues to captivate audiences with her innovative approach to dressing. With each fashion choice, she not only expresses her unique personality but also inspires others to embrace their own sense of style with confidence and flair. Her fashion choices are a reflection of her multifaceted personality, incorporating a myriad of elements that combine to create her distinctive style. From the stitching on a tailored blazer to the delicate embroidery on a flowing gown, every aspect of her ensemble is meticulously crafted, ensuring a flawless finish. Sini also demonstrates a keen understanding of the power of accessories in elevating an outfit. Whether it's a statement necklace that adds a touch of glamour or a pair of sunglasses that exudes effortless coolness, she knows how to choose the perfect finishing touches to complete her look. Her fashion choices are deeply influenced by her cultural background and global experiences. As an Indian woman with a diverse upbringing, she seamlessly integrates elements of traditional Indian attire into her wardrobe, infusing her looks with rich colors, intricate patterns, and luxurious fabrics. At the same time, her travels around the world have exposed her to a myriad of fashion influences, from the bohemian chic of Europe to the vibrant street style of Asia. This eclectic mix of cultural influences is evident in her fashion choices, resulting in a style that is both unique and cosmopolitan. The beauty is known for her fearless approach to experimentation. Her fashion choices are a testament to her innate sense of style, creativity, and self-expression. With each ensemble she wears, she invites us into her world, where fashion is not just about looking good, but about telling a story and celebrating the diversity of human expression. Whether she's gracing the red carpet or simply running errands around town, Sini Shetty embodies the epitome of effortless elegance and timeless sophistication, leaving an indelible mark on the world of fashion. Sini Shetty's fashion choices are not only a reflection of her personal style but also a testament to her keen understanding of fashion as an art form. She approaches each outfit as a blank canvas, carefully selecting pieces that not only complement each other but also convey a specific mood or message. From the ethereal femininity of a flowing chiffon gown to the edgy sophistication of a tailored pantsuit, the beauty effortlessly transitions between different styles, demonstrating her versatility and impeccable taste. What truly sets Sini apart is her ability to effortlessly blend high fashion with accessible streetwear, creating looks that are both aspirational and relatable. She understands that true style is not defined by the price tag of an outfit but rather by the confidence with which it is worn. Whether she's sporting designer labels or thrift store finds, Sini exudes an effortless charm and elegance that captivates audiences worldwide. Her fashion choices are often imbued with deeper meaning and symbolism. She uses clothing as a form of self-expression, conveying her values, beliefs, and personality through her sartorial choices. Sini's commitment to sustainability and ethical fashion is evident in her wardrobe choices. She prioritizes brands that prioritize eco-friendly materials and ethical labor practices, demonstrating her dedication to making responsible fashion choices that minimize harm to the planet and its people. By promoting sustainable fashion practices, Sini is not only setting a positive example for her followers but also advocating for positive change within the fashion industry as a whole. Her fashion choices are a testament to her creativity, versatility, and social consciousness. Through her impeccable style and commitment to ethical fashion, she inspires others to embrace their individuality, express themselves boldly, and make mindful choices that positively impact the world around them. That wraps up today's exploration of Sini Shetty's fabulous fashion choices. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.